Meaning of hot air balloon.
Hot air balloon.
Hot air balloon.
Hot air balloon.
Hot air balloon. A hot air balloon is a type of aircraft that consists of a large bag, called an envelope, which is filled with hot air using a burner. The heated air in the envelope makes the balloon rise into the sky. Hot air balloons are often used for recreational purposes, such as sightseeing, and can carry anywhere from 2 to 20 passengers. They are typically made of materials like nylon, polyester, or silk and come in a variety of colors and designs. A typical hot air balloon flight can last anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours, depending on weather conditions.